I have my Allure beauty box for the month of December. So if you want to see what's inside and what today's giveaway is, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit aren't with me this evening, but if you're new, thanks so much for stopping by. We hope you decide to stay, and if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So Allure is a monthly beauty box from the makers of Allure magazine. So you are getting some of their editors' favorites. This does have full size and deluxe samples, and it's usually pretty good. Last month's was really good. I think the month before that it was a little meh, but it compared to how it's been, so compared to itself, I would say, oh, I'm shiny today. Squirrel. Okay, so compared to itself, it was a little meh. So it was good stuff, but just compared to how they had been performing, I thought it was not up to par. So you get a little flyer. It goes over all the items as well as some of the editor's thoughts on the items. We'll add for some of their specialties. They do have a men's box. My husband would not use half the stuff in here, so I do not get him the GQ box because he is not, he's not bougie like me. Here is your sneak peek. This is pretty packed. So right out the gate, we have Elemis. This is their Pro Collagen Marine Cream. And this is a $93 value. Now, I have not tried this. I do have it. I've actually gotten this numerous times in numerous different boxes, both their day and their night cream, but I've never tried it yet. I actually have a set just sitting aside that I'm going to give to my sisters are my stepsisters, and we're all very close. We're close with their mom. You know, she comes over. So we're all one big happy family. And I am giving her this set. So just because it's such a nice brand. I mean, I have tried other Elemis stuff and I like it. The one thing I don't like about Elemis is that they're no longer cruelty free. I've said this before. They've decided to sell in mainland China where they have to do animal testing in order to sell there. So that is the one downfall, because otherwise this is a great brand. As far as performance, how well it works, how it feels, it's always so nice. And they have like one line that has like this really fruity smell, and it's amazing. It just smells like fruit salad. This isn't it. This is more of a like a sea scent. So it does say it gives softer skin without any of that peeling that you sometimes get with when you're layering products. It says it won't have any of that peeling or pilling effect. Oh, it says it has a soft floral scent, rose and mimosa. Oh, sounds like it's delightful. And again, $93 for this size right here, which is 30 milliliters. Next, we have a great drugstore brand. You can get this at Target, Pixie. I've always liked the Pixie products that I've received. This is a fragrance. Oh, all right. No, it's not a fragrance. What is this? Oh, it's a Radiance Perfector. I wish I could read. It's a Radiance Perfector. It's a skin illuminating enhancer. I don't know what any of that means. This is a female-founded company. It has rose water, ceramide. So the rose water balances pH, and it's antioxidant rich. The ceramide, it's a ceramide NP, provides time-release moisture, hyaluronic acid to hydrate, eau de rose. Oh no, that's just the same thing twice. Okay, just in French. All right, it's a highlighter. I was just looking at the little description, and it says if you're looking for a highlighter that doesn't scream, I'm highlighter, then look no further. Here we go. This is an $18 value. Here is how it looks coming out. It does come out pretty quickly, but it rubs in like a cream actually. And I mean, I don't even really see, there we go. Now you're seeing it. No real scent, a little bit of maybe a rose scent. Sheer, easy to blend liquid. soft rose tint to brighten and pearlescent finish to make skin glow. You can use it as a primer underneath your foundation if you want to, or you can use it as a highlighter. I'm not going to put it on my face right now. I'm having a rosacea outbreak from, so this is a 3-season porch, and my mom has a propane electric fireplace, and so it's cold outside. It's like in the maybe 30s, and so I had it on, but it very quickly heats this space up, and then that causes this. Product actually has a hole in the back. I'm going to contact them. I don't know how responsive they are. I feel like I contacted them once before and got no response. This is their head and hair heal booster mask by Maria Nila. This is supposed to be good for winter and the damage winter can do. It's a floral scented hair mask with shea butter to smooth the frizz. It gives a boost in shine, and it makes detangling even easier. You're going to let this sit for about 3 minutes, and this is 50 milliliters, and this is a $9.90 value. And as you can see, there's a little hole right there. It smells really nice though. I can put it in a Ziploc bag and probably still use it. Next, we have the Billy Cool Blue Starter Kit Razor with 1 handle, 2 5-blade refills, and 1 magnetic holder. All right, so there's how that looks. This is a $10 value, not bad at all. It's a pretty good price for a reusable razor. Now, what the heads cost, that's another question. I have a reusable one from Truly that I love. I actually have 3, one for me at my mom's house, and one for my daughter. And 2 of them are Powerpuff Girls, and the other one is Clouds. And I love it, but the refills are 2 for $10. All right, so there's how it looks. It looks very sturdy. Like, it doesn't look cheap at all. So it looks like a very sturdy razor. And then it does have, like I said, it has the little magnetic head that you can stick here to your bathtub so that you can just, grab it and then put it back. Next, we have a sample size, a deluxe sample of this Blow, B-L-E-A-U. This is a clay mask. It looks like you could have gotten one of 4. And I don't believe there was a choice. I didn't see like a choice. I got the Illuminating Seaweed Clay Mask. It says Clarify, Brighten, and Balance. And there were 4 others. The full size of 80 grams is $39. This is 15 grams. Next, by the Heritage Store, we have this rose water and glycerin facial spray. It is all sealed up. This is for dewy, radiant looking skin. It is damask rose and glycerin for dry to combination skin. It's vegan and cruelty free and good for the planet. There are no dyes, alcohol, parabens, sulfates, or phthalates. So that's nice. I'm just going to spray this on your face and neck. They said this is a staple at makeup artist stations during Fashion Week. 3-ingredient facial mist preps skin and sets makeup for a natural looking dewiness we're chasing in December. You can also spray it on your makeup sponge for blending. So this is a great kind of thing to just have, because I know, like, when after I wash my face and then I use some toner, if I don't immediately put the serum on, my skin is dried up enough that the serum doesn't absorb as well as if it were damp. So this is a great little thing to have next to where you're doing your serum or where you're doing your makeup, either or. I do them in 2 different places. I do like my serum and stuff in the bathroom, and then in our spare room, I have like a little makeup station for me and my daughter. So this is great to have at either place. And it's just nice to be able to kind of do a nice little mist before you put your skincare on in the morning. Because again, that toner is going to dry up pretty quickly, and you really want some dewiness on your skin in order to get that serum to really absorb in. And that is $8.49 for 4 ounces. It doesn't say where you can buy it other than through the Heritage Store, but I feel like I've seen that at least in Target. Next, by Aquaphor, we have their Advanced Treatment hand mask. Yes, hand mask. This you're going to leave on for 10 minutes. And it's got shea butter, avocado oil, and pro vitamin B. It is hyperallergenic and paraben and fragrance free. And this is a $6 value. This is going to go to my daughter because she gets terrible eczema in the wintertime. All right, and that is everything in the box. There is a little something from Billy to get 50% off of your first order of refill blades. So it doesn't say what they are, like what the cost is. So I'll have to check that out for you guys and let you know, because that certainly makes a difference. Like if the razor is $10, but you're going to get 2 heads for $10, that's, that's a little expensive. I mean, again, I do it with my Truly one because I love it. It's got like this little, which it looks like this has too. It has like these little above the razor, like these little glidey things that you almost don't have to put anything on, because it's like it's almost like those Intuition razors, but not as much. So I still use something, but I do like that. So, all right, let's get into today's giveaway, because then I got to pack up all the giveaways from last week. So today we are going to do this Violet Voss Violet Sunrise palette. This is a gorgeous palette. I have this. I have used it many times. It really creates a beautiful, beautiful look. You can definitely recreate a sunset look, but you still have your neutrals, just with some pops of color. So as you can see, you do have some neutrals, but you do have some nice pops of color in there. So if you would like to be entered in this giveaway, you're going to use the word sunset, which tells me that you are interested in this particular item. Again, not everything's for everybody, so some people may not want to enter, or you may have already won a prize this month. And because we're doing a lot of little giveaways for these, we are only doing one winner for the month. So if you have already won, you can't re-enter for this one, but there'll be plenty more giveaways coming up. Don't worry about it. We got lots more stuff. Trying to clean house, trying to like get stuff out of my house and into your house, because I get so many subscription boxes. I have so much stuff, and even giving as much as I do as gifts for anybody who's got a birthday that I know. Like if you got a birthday, you're getting skincare and makeup and whatever, like depending upon what you like. So, but I still have a ton of stuff, and I want to get things to people before there's an expiration. So, I don't want to give anybody an expired product. So I'm trying to get stuff out a little bit more rapidly. So this is for today. Again, I can't speak highly enough of this. I love this palette. It's one of my favorites. All right, so what do you have to do to enter besides using that word? What are the rules? They're all right down below, so go check those out in the description box to make sure that you qualify for any giveaways that I have. And make sure you are publicly subscribed. Go ahead and hit that like button and the notification bell so that you'll be notified if you are the winner of any of these giveaways. All right, well, thank you so much, and hopefully I'll see you soon.